Get ready for a game changer in the world of smartwatches. The Pixel Watch 4 has just pulled off a feat that's leaving its competitors in the dust. We all know that smaller devices can be a real pain to repair. Just think of those tiny AirPods Pro 3, which are practically impossible to open without causing major damage. Smartwatches often fall into this tricky category, but Google is here to shake things up with the Pixel Watch 4. The experts at iFixit have taken a deep dive into the Pixel Watch 4, and their findings are nothing short of impressive. They awarded the watch an incredible 9 out of 10 for repairability, a score that no other smartwatch has come close to achieving. According to the repair team, the watch is a masterpiece of design, with a complete rethink of traditional smartphone construction. So, what makes the Pixel Watch 4 so special? Well, for starters, there's no glue involved in its construction. Instead, the watch is held together by screws, making it a breeze to open up. All you need is a simple screwdriver and you're good to go. No need for fancy tools or a heat gun. But here's where it gets even more impressive. The two exterior screws have their own O-ring seals, ensuring the watch maintains its IP68 water and dust resistance. It's a small detail, but it shows that Google has thought of everything when it comes to making this watch repair-friendly. The internal components are just as well designed. More screws, a press connector, and some ribbon cables make up the inner workings, but nothing too complicated. Another internal gasket seals off the screen and chipset, further contributing to the watch's impressive IP68 rating. iFixit even compares this design to that of dive watches, which are known for their durability. And this is the part most people miss. The circular design of the Pixel Watch 4 makes it significantly easier to repair than its rectangular or square-shaped counterparts. It's a subtle but crucial difference. In summary, Google has gone above and beyond to make the Pixel Watch 4 a repairer's dream. There are no hidden screws, no glue to complicate matters, and no tricks up its sleeve. This not only makes it easier for Google technicians to fix broken watches, but also empowers users to take matters into their own hands. Once spare parts become available, you'll have the option to repair your watch yourself. But how does the Pixel Watch 4 stack up against other smartwatches? Unfortunately, the competition lags far behind. Most smartwatches are a nightmare to repair, with inaccessible key parts, a lack of official parts and instructions, and an over-reliance on glue. The last Pixel Watch iFixit tore down, the Pixel Watch 2, scored a mere 410 due to its custom adhesive, which made reassembly unreliable. The Pixel Watch 3 was so difficult to fix that Google opted to replace broken models instead, which is a wasteful approach. The Apple Watch Series 10, the most recent Apple Watch iFixit has analyzed, scored a disappointing 310 for similar reasons. Key components are hard to access, official parts and instructions are scarce, and the use of glue makes repairs a challenge. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra comes closest to the Pixel Watch 4 score, achieving a 710. Like the Pixel Watch 4, it doesn't use internal glue, and Samsung has employed internal gaskets to maintain the seal. Both the battery and screen are independently accessible, but some design choices, like the exterior tri-point screws, can add unnecessary complexity. Google seems to be leading the way in making smartwatch repairs more accessible. With a bit of effort from other companies, we could see a future where smartwatch repairs are a breeze. Let's hope the best smartwatches, especially those from Apple, follow Google's lead soon. So what do you think? Is the Pixel Watch 4's repairability a game changer for the industry? Or is it just a nice-to-have feature? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.